Hello, RC Fanatic here. Today I had the opportunity of dismantling one of these. I have to admit I'm not that good at desoldering, but I was able to get the motor, get part of the battery pack with the battery, the switch, whatever this little thing is. I don't really know since I haven't really dealt with these for that much. This is a 16 volt 47 UF. I feel like I'm saying that wrong, but hewing plus 105 degrees Celsius minus 40 plus 100, or whatever that is. And I failed at getting out the lights. But what I'm going to do here is, since I don't want to try to get in between all those little things right here, I am just going to just cut it off. I'll probably get a tech class, probably get a tech class next year for my final year of high school, but probably gonna end up not, since it's gonna be like one of the last things. But yeah, I wanna really I just heard something fall. No, yeah. Yeah. Chip. Don't know what these are, but I'm gonna try keeping the chip. Just in case one day I end up needing these. Oh yeah, and I got a few of the gears. But they're so greasy, I just like touching them. I was actually quite surprised at what was in here. I thought it was going to be like this massive motor or something like that. Turns out it's nothing. But I'm hoping one day I could just come back to this and make it a phone charger. Just find a way to re-put the gears, put back the motor, and just have the motors automatically connect to my phone. Don't go through like the entire circuit board. Hopefully that would work, otherwise I might have to go through the circuit board, and that's going to be a mess because I can't desolder for my life. Well, maybe when I get metal working, I think it's called, class one time, probably hopefully next year, I'm going to finally learn how to desolder properly. Because the only way this came out, the motor, is that I ended up melting the wires and it popped out at the last second. And then this was almost a complete fail. Like the plastic burned off, and then I was able to pull it off. But I guess I can make like a little battery motor because it still has the two tabs and whatnot. Right? Yeah. Now they're kind of loose, but they're still there. They're still working. This little button. I don't get why there's 3 buttons, but that's gonna. I should find I should just make this with like a barbecue light. But no, wait, does this work? No. I guess it wouldn't work as a cannon, but yeah, that's my short little video before I just pack all these up, go. Just pick up my phone like it was the mouse button. Yeah. See, I guess this is RC Fanatic signing out. I was actually quite surprised. There was like 4 gears, not counting the motor gear in this one. Yeah. Goodbye. Waiting.